Hey gang, welcome to the first Imperfect Produce unboxing of 2019, or you can call it the last unboxing of 2018 because I actually got the box on New Year's Eve, but we're just unboxing it now because that's what happens sometimes. Let's be honest, I partied a little bit on New Year's Eve. So anyway, Imperfect Produce takes the produce that is not cosmetically perfect for the grocery store and sends it to people like you, me, and others to reduce food waste so it doesn't spoil. And then when you hashtag cooking ugly, they donate 5 pounds of produce to a food bank in your community. And Imperfect Produce expanded to 7 cities in addition to the areas they already serviced in 2018, and they're looking to increase that in 2019 as well. But let's get to my awesome box. Okay. First, we have some bell peppers. That's right, they're like orange bell peppers. So not just plain boring green ones in this box. Then we have a couple really big carrots. Gonna make some carrot sticks or maybe some carrot soup. Then we have sweet potatoes. Love sweet potatoes. I like to just cook them up with a little ginger, a little pumpkin pie spice, drizzle a little honey and a little olive oil, a little salt. Then when you are done cooking them, throw a little brown sugar and butter on there. Primo. And we have some yummy red potatoes, which are great for making a soup or just eating them as mashed potatoes. Then we have 2 green avocados that will ripen. This one's got like a little bump on it, so it's not perfect. And then this one has this little burn to it, but it'll be completely edible after I put it in like a paper bag for like 2 or 3 days. Then we have a couple limes, a whole bunch of mandarins, a couple pears, because pears are yummy, and then finally I have all these beautiful yellow apples. So excited to eat those as well. So that's what I'm going to be cooking ugly with for the next 2 weeks. If you want to join the food revolution as one of your resolutions, hit me up with a little comment and I will give you a link for $10 off your first box. Until then, keep cooking ugly.